Hi guys, and today guys we're going to be taking locus. But before I start my video, please like and share and subscribe on my YouTube channel, plus like and follow for more videos coming soon on TikTok. And let's begin with our video of today. Today's video is we're going to be taking locus. Into locus, I am focusing on only two things. Into locus, I am focusing on only two things. The first, the first item to focus on locus is graph. The first item while I have to focus on locus is graph. The second item while I have to focus on locus is shape. The second item while I have to focus on locus is shape. I can get a 2D or a 3D shape in this shape. This is a circle, and a circle is a 2D shape. And a circle, let's not forget, and a circle is a 2D shape. I can say that this is K, this is for example K, this is for example O, and this is for example K. Circle in a 2D shape. Another shape where I have to draw a sphere inside a circle. Another shape when I have to draw a sphere inside a circle. There is a circle inside of the sphere. I can say this point is X, this point is Y, and this point is Z. And this is a sphere, and a sphere makes our 3 points, which is X, Y, Z, and X, Y, Z are points about space. Not only more than that, yes, there are points about space. What is locus by points in general? What is locus by points in general? Locus by points means locus of points. Locus by points in general means locus of points around a point. Locus of points around a point. Locus of points around a point. What is points by locus in general? Or what do I mean by the word points in locus in general? I mean by this word is locus of points around a circle. Locus of points around a circle. What do I mean by the word line? Line, I mean by this word is locus of points around a line. Locus of points around a line. Huh? Locus of points around a line. There is a line drawn here. While I say that this point is K, I can say the other point is K, and the final point here is K. Or I can say all lines can be Ks into this case. If a line I drawn in the points K, so this is locus of line. If a line I drawn in it K, so this is the locus of lines. I have a line here, then I paste it into K, 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 K. Okay, then while I got a line into two circumstances, line can be all K's or line can be K, K, and K. This is called a first line. This is called a first line. This line is called a second line. This line is called a second line. Okay? Okay. What do I mean by the locus of line? What do I mean by the locus of line? Locus of line, locus of line is locus of points around a line. Locus, what do I mean by the locus of a line? Locus of points around a line. Locus of points around a line. Okay, okay. I can get a shape like this into the left hand side, or I can get a shape like this into the right hand plane. Okay, okay. We are going to be taking into this case perpendicular bisector. Again, perpendicular bisector. Again, perpendicular bisector. In the first step of perpendicular bisector, I draw a graph. While I get a graph drawn, this point can be considered as x1, y1. This is a right angle. This point can be considered as xy. Or I can say into another point is x2, y2. Into the first step for perpendicular bisector in locus, I have to find the midpoint. Into the first step of perpendicular bisector in locus, I have to get the midpoint. What is the rule for the midpoint first of all? The rule for the midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. Again, x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Okay, I can have a line into a midpoint like this. I can have a line. The line can be seen as x, y, b. The line can be seen as or can be stated as x, y, b. Okay, the lines I can get is a and b. While I can get the lines a and b, so I have to get is x1 plus x2 over 2 to find the midpoint, or y1 plus y2 over 2. So in this statement, I get my midpoint. In this statement, I get my midpoint, which is x1 plus x2 over 2 or y1 plus y2 over 2. Okay? Okay. Perpendicular slope. The second we're going to be taking as the second step is perpendicular slope. The second step we're going to be working on is perpendicular slope. Into perpendicular slope, which is m. Into perpendicular slope, which is m. I can make a triangle here, and then I can get a circle from here, and then a circle from here. So if I took a circle from here, and then I took a circle from here, this is the perpendicular slope. Or I can make it into another triangle, and then take circles all over. So this is perpendicular slope. Step 3 is I form an equation. Step 3 is I form an equation. Step 3 is I form an equation, which is A and B, and A and B, which I have slope M. A and B, which I have slope M. So my equation is y equals m times x minus a all plus b. My equation is y equals m is my slope, x minus a all plus b. For example, I say locus of points between 2 points, line xyz. This is how many dimensions? This is what shape? This is a sphere shape, and which is 3 dimensions, and 3 dimensions into y equal 4. That's it. That's it. If I say for example, again, locus, and I mean by the locus the set of points. I will let you to try this question in the comments. The set of points such that I will let you to try this question in the comments. Y equal 5. Locus is the set of points such that y equal 5. Try appearing by one of our 3 previous steps explained. Okay? Okay. Sum up for this lesson. First, into the sum up for this lesson, we took locus around a point. We took a locus around a point. We took a locus around a point. As you all can see, this is a circle, and then it's conducted into all over, and it's everywhere. Now again, and it's everywhere. Secondly, we took a locus by a line, and this is a line as you all can see. Locus by a line, and this is a line as you all can see here. Finally, or thirdly, we took perpendicular bisector. We took perpendicular bisector. Into perpendicular bisector, I can make it all over into triangles or rectangles or squares. I can make it all over into triangles or rectangles, as you all can see here. I can make it into triangles or rectangles like x1, y1, x2, y2. That's it. Yes, that's it. And finally, we have for the finishing of our lesson is set of points. Finally, for the finishing of our lesson is set of points. If I can say locus into 2D plane, 2D plane, while I can say locus for 2D plane into circle. What else? What else after circle? While I can say there is locus after a circle. Ha! Two lines. What else after two lines? Ha! Line. I can say a locus into 3D space. Locus into 3D space. Like sphere, like cylinder, like plane. Do I mean by the sphere and cylinder 3D? Yes. Do I mean by the plane a space? Yes. I do not mean plane as a point on the graph. I mean plane into 3D shapes. I mean by this word into a space. And that's it, guys. And I hope if you like my record for today, please like and share and subscribe and comment. Plus, like and follow for more videos coming soon on TikTok. My TikTok account is Ali Ahmed 1132. My YouTube channel is Ali Ahmed Ibrahim for education. If you need more help, I'm in pleasure for the lot of help for all of you. And thanks. And thanks.